Default text-to-machine used to transport and prepare railway tracks on the Gampaha railway station, owned by the Sri Lankan Railway Department, was captured on camera. This railway maintenance vehicle is used for railway maintenance and repair. Its main uses are as follows. Railway maintenance: it checks for defects and maintenance needs on the railway track and makes the necessary changes. New railway track construction: steel rails, rail tracks are transported for new track construction. Railway track renewal: it is used to remove old railway tracks and install new rails. Remediation of railway track problems in cases where emergency maintenance is required. Maintenance work is carried out using overhead machinery cranes, transporting steel bars and other heavy goods on the railway track. This vehicle is used to transport the necessary equipment and steel bars along the track. The main advantages of this railway maintenance vehicle are as follows. 1. Immediate maintenance and repair work can be carried out immediately to prevent emergency rail defects or accidents, having various tools and equipment in one vehicle to renew the track. 2. Ability to transport heavy steel bars. New rail tracks and other items on the track can be easily transported. The vehicle's own crane can easily lift these heavy items. 3. Increased efficiency. Maintenance work can be carried out faster than traditional methods, since a small team can work. A smaller workforce can be deployed. 4. Mobility and automated tools. Since it can travel on the railway itself, it can reach the place where maintenance is required quickly. The presence of automated cranes and track preparation equipment reduces human labor. 5. Savings and increased safety. There is no need to use separate vehicles for road maintenance. Safety is increased as heavy steel bars and equipment are transported mechanically rather than by human power.